phone once. So yeah, I didn't hear the full conversation, but so what can we do to help you? I think I had received an email from you once, and you were looking for, I think, healthcare, like help with healthcare. I think I tried to have a healthcare for the homeless. Our agency reach out to you. Did they ever do that?
Do you have a business card?
I could go grab one for you.
I'd appreciate that, and one for Sarah. I'm going to my doctor's tomorrow.
Okay.
And yeah, this is too complicated, and I've explained this for 18 months. I have explained this situation over and over again, and I can't do this any longer.
I understand. No, I really understand. I'll go get you our business cards, and if you want to call or email us, that's totally fine. We'll do everything we can to try to help you out.
Okay. I need to make something very clear. I've had people say that to me before.
I know.
This time, you don't know. You really don't understand how serious this is. Mm-hmm. Okay. What is your name?
Jared.
Jared, I need you to understand, Jared. This is a clandestine, covert, black ops campaign of terror. And you're going to wonder how I can come up with such an unbelievable scenario. Okay, well, I'll tell you why. Very briefly, okay? A year and a half ago, I was living in Newark, California, okay? I had a housing dispute from the place I was living at for 2 years. I paid rent every month for 23 months. Mm-hmm. I called the Newark Police because I wanted them to be a moderator, or have a police officer as a moderator, because the landlord and her son were harassing me. I called many times. I did the right thing by trying to be the responsible adult. As a single person, a single male, living in a house with a woman who owns the house and her son, I told them I was going to get out. But instead of helping me, the Newark Police decided just to enable and let the landlord terrorize me. Once I left Newark, which is March of 2017, I have been gang stalked and terrorized by local law enforcement. I have extensive documentation on this. And I have to tell you one thing. This is very real. And you know what the worst part about it is going to people like the Board of Supervisors, or going to Eric Swalwell's office, or better yet, Canson Chu's office. Because Canson Chu's office, the office manager there, his name is John Nam. And do you know how I know that? Because he was one of the first people I contacted in April of 2017 to say that I'm being gang stalked, that I'm being terrorized, and it has completely devastated my life. And this has gone on for a year and a half. I am done with being ignored. I have a court date tomorrow. For 6 months, I've been trying to get Fremont Public Defender to respond to my phone calls, which when I made it very clear to them, I desperately need my medications, my health care. I'd like to know what happened to my cell phone, which was taken from me as evidence, and I cannot get Fremont Public Defender's office to take me seriously, or to take me seriously that I need my medications, or take me seriously what's going on. This has been going on for 6 months. I have been terrorized by law enforcement because I've been ignored, because no one believes me that my disability, once again, is a stigma, and once again, because I'm disabled, I must be the one at fault, not the police who are terrorizing me and harassing me with synthetic telepathy. So if you could please get me a business card. Literally, I've spent so much of my time trying to find an attorney, trying to find someone to help me over 18 months. On top of that, I didn't have any medical help or any medication. Alameda County Behavioral Health Care Services intentionally canceled an appointment at Oakland Pathways to Wellness on March 12th, okay? I have documentation to prove it, and I really wanted someone to help me. I not have to go through this kind of drama.
Okay.